Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the concept super trend. So what is called super trend and how can we use this particular indicator in our trading? So basically if you are going to use any particular indicator in our trading strategy, we need to know what are the different settings of that particular indicator and how that indicator works. So we need to know that in detail. So basically, by the name suggests, super trend is a trading indicator created by Olivier Seban to find the buying and selling opportunities in the market. And the name implies it is a super trend. It is a trend following indicator and it is highly effective in the trading markets with the defined trend. And also one more advantage of the super trend, it is an overlay indicator. So what do you mean by overlay? This particular indicator is plotted on the price charts itself, that is on the chart itself we can see this particular indicator. So what are the other characteristics of the super trend? So the fundamental expectation of the super trend indicator is to highlight the trade signal. So we can understand whether the overall trend is bullish or bearish, okay, based on the time frame which we are looking into. So when the time frame, if you are going to change that to 3 minutes as an intraday trade, or 3 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, we'll be using different time frames, right? It shows the change in trends by changing the color. So we can see here in this picture below here we can see this color is green and here the color changed to red in color. So we can see the trend here above this green color, the particular stock or the particular instrument stays bullish above this, okay, and when the price is below this level, it shows that the overall trend is bearish. Changing the color, how means red and green are used to display the sell and buy cues. Super trend started its journey in commodity trading. So basically what is the history of the super trend, and nowadays traders use this indicator in various markets, and most traders use this indicator along with their strategy. So if you are following any strategies, you can use this super trend along with that particular strategy in order to understand the bias. So here we can see the picture of the super trend. So this green line is the super trend. So if the price is staying above the super trend, it means that we can enter into the long trade and overall trend of the particular instrument is looking bullish. Okay, so this is how we have to use the super trend, and I will show you in the charts with few examples also. So how to understand whether the trend changes to bearish? Okay, so here we can see that this is the green line. This green line changed to red in color. So the overall trend changed to bearish. So as an option buyer, we can look for buying the puts. As an option seller, we can look to sell the calls. Okay, so this is how we have to understand the trend or bias by looking into the super trend. So this is the Nifty chart. I have taken the 5 minutes time frame. So you can select any time frame, depends upon which types of trader you are. But in order to get the good clarity, you can choose like 5 minutes or even 3 minutes, 15 minutes also you can go for higher time frame, and you can choose even 1 hour time frame. So here I have selected 5 minutes time frame. So I have added the super trend. The settings I have not changed anything. It is like default settings only. ATR length is 10 and the factor is 3. Okay, and here the uptrend, it will show the green in color and downtrend is red in color. If you want to give some thick lines, you can change that to thick lines. Okay, and after that here you can change the uptrend background and downtrend background also. Yeah, you can give good shades also if you want to. Okay, and after that you can click on OK. So now here we can see that if the price is trading above this green line, that shows that the overall trend is bullish. You can enter into the long trade. So here we can see this is the pin bar candle, dragonfly doji candle, and you can keep this level as stop loss, and you can enter into the long trade above this green candle, keeping this as a stop loss. So what will be the SL if you enter into the long trade? So this is the stop loss. Okay, so here this level is the stop loss, and once this high is taken away, you can consider entering into the long trade. Okay, and you can trail your profits. Or if you enter into the trade and if you have got a few points in the options, you can book your profits. So I am explaining you how to understand the trend. So the overall trend of Nifty is looking bullish until the price is trading above the super trend. Okay, here we can see the next day, that is 3rd December also, Nifty is looking bullish. So this is the first 5-minute candle of Nifty, which has opened below the resistance level. This is the super trend resistance level, which has opened below that. So we can consider entering into the short trade below this red candle. So what will be the stop loss? The stop loss is the high of the red candle. So this is the stop loss. So the high of this red candle is stop loss. So again, where is your entry? The entry is below this red candle. So entry is below this red candle, and keeping this high of this red candle as stop loss, you can enter into the short trade. And you can see after that there is a nice move in the Nifty. So once you are in profit, you can keep booking your profits. So the overall trend is weak, bearish. You can understand by looking into the trend, that is looking into the super trend indicator. And again, after that, price moved up, and again here at this particular level below the super trend resistance level, you got one more red candle. So you can consider entering into the short trade below this also. Okay, so where can you enter into the long trade in this particular day? We can enter into the long trade above this green candle, keeping this low as stop loss. You can enter into the long trade and you can keep booking your profits. After that, we can see that the price is falling down and taking support at this particular super trend. And if you are getting any pin bar candle above this overall trend, that is the trend looks bullish, and again you can do some small scalping trade, or you can enter into the long trade also. Okay, so this is how you have to use the super trend in your trades. So we all know how to enter into the trades using the single super trend using the default settings. So now I am going to show you how can we enter into the trade using two super trends, that is double super trend. Okay, so we can see that there are two resistance and the two support levels. So this is the settings of the two super trends. First super trend I have added, the ATR length is 5, factor is 3. Okay, second super trend, the settings is ATR length is 5 and the factor is 2. Okay, so how to enter into the trade? So we are getting more double confirmation in order to enter into our trades. So this is the first red candle and here we can see this is the support level, that is 2 support level is broken or taken away. So in that case, that is the first 15 minutes this is a 15 minutes time frame I have taken. This is the first 15 minutes candle. So we can enter into the trade below this red candle, because here we can see this is the super trend support level which is taken away. So you can consider entering into the short trade, that is overall bias of Nifty is looking weak. Okay, and again here we can see that the price is moving up, and here this is the major resistance level. So the price didn't break this particular level, and again after that here below this level we can see that there is a small fall from this particular level. Where can we enter into the long trade? We can enter into the long trade once this particular both the resistance level is taken away. So this green candle we can see that which is staying above this particular resistance level. So above this green candle we can enter into the long trade, keeping this low as stop loss. Entry above this green candle. So after that we can see that there is a nice move in this particular index. Okay, so this will be the low of this green candle is the stop loss, and high, once this high is taken away we can enter into the long trade. So the next day also the Nifty is trading above the super trend, so the overall trend is bullish. So when this trend will change to bearish is this both the support level is taken away. In that case you can consider entering into the short trade. So here we can see one line here, this is the super trend support level, again this is another super trend support level. So in this particular red red candle, you can consider entering into the short trade. Keeping this high as stop loss, once this low is broken, you can enter into the short trade. So you can see here, after that the Nifty is trend, overall trend changed to bearish, and again this particular red line, this is the resistance level, and again if you are getting any red candle or any rejection from this particular level, you can enter into the short trade. You can do small scalping trade also below this. Okay, so this is how we have to use double super trend by changing the settings. That is, the default settings is 10,3. We have changed that settings into 5,3 and 5,2. Now this is the Bank Nifty chart. So here the first 15 minutes candle which is trading above the super trend. So the overall trend is looking bullish. Okay, so when the trend will changes, we can see this is the super trend support level, and this is the second super trend support level. So below this, if you are getting any red candle, keeping this high as stop loss, once this low is taken away, we can consider entering into the short trade. And here we can see after that there is a nice move in the Bank Nifty, and we can also see that the price is moving up, and this particular super trend level is acting as a resistance, and any red candle below that, you can consider entering into the short trade. That is, below this red candle, we can consider entering into the short trade. Okay, and again here also we can see that there is an rejection, that is a inverted hammer candle we are getting. Okay, here we can see that inverted hammer candle we are getting below this. Okay, and after that there is a nice move, down move in this particular Bank Nifty. Okay, so when can we enter into the long trade, that is overall trend, when it will change to bullish? Not only above this particular resistance level, but above this red level also. If you are getting any green candle, we can consider entering into the long trade. Okay, the next day also Bank Nifty is trading above this particular super trend, and it is showing overall trend looks green, so the trend is bullish. I have changed the time to 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the first 5 minutes candle of Bank Nifty, and here we can see this is a green candle. This green candle has broken the resistance level. This is the first resistance level. Second one, in which Bank Nifty we got a green candle which is trading above that particular level. Keeping that low as stop loss, you can enter into the long trade. Okay, so again, so once this low is broken, in that case we can consider entering into the short trade. So keeping this high as stop loss. Okay, so after that we can see that there is a nice fall in the Bank Nifty. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.